Welcome back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2016. It's a Subaru Outback. It's a premium with the desirable eyesight package, navigation, backup cam, sunroof, lane descent, laser guided cruise, lane keeper. It's a nice vehicle. Power rear gate on this. Premium sound system, auxiliary line in, USB, hands-free calling, heated front seats. One owner, folks. Over 26 dealer service records, like new tires. She drives 110%, super comfortable, all-wheel drive, and believe it or not, these cars get fantastic gas mileage for what they are. Super nice car, guaranteed credit approval. DasCleveland.com.